Taking a look at my schematic, the length of my bottom rail kick plate is 20 inches as we subtracted our stiles from our width measurement. Additionally, taking a look at our parts list, we previously determined that if we cut the bottom rail kick plate to an oversized measurement of 21 inches, given that the finished measurement is 20 inches, that should still allow us to get our two top gussets out of the same oversized board. So on our board, we will first square up one end, then measure to 21 inches for our oversized measurement, and out of that piece, we can get our 20-inch bottom rail kick plate and two 10¼ inch top gussets. So with this planned out, we can go ahead and square up one end, measure and mark our board at 21 inches, and perform our second cut. And we are left with a board that is 21 inches in length by a little bit under 6 inches in width by about 1 inch thick.